very strong support, which is going to push the price further to the upside, guys. Because right now where we are is exactly where in 2016 bull market started. This bigger picture is actually indicating we are about to witness a massive bull run. Welcome everyone. So today in this video we are actually going to look into price action of Bitcoin in detail. If you look at the current Bitcoin price action, and if you look at this scenario, what is unfolding right now with this ascending triangle, I made it bit clearer so that you guys could understand what might be exactly unfolding right now with the Bitcoin price action. Because if you can see here, this ascending triangle, I've seen many YouTube videos, people talking about this ascending triangle, but what you are seeing inside this ascending triangle, that's the reason I came up with this reaccumulation chart here from Wyckoff. Guys, according to this analysis, right now where we are, if you look at the price action of Bitcoin inside this ascending triangle, guys, this is panning out to be a reaccumulation phase. It usually breaks to the upside, guys. Why? Because if you look at this scenario here and look at this scenario here on the left hand side, you can see this example here how reaccumulation usually looks like. This triangle formation, this ascending triangle formation, before we started forming this ascending triangle, price testing this upper line of this ascending triangle, forming a double bottom scenario. You can see here price after reaching this lower line area forming a really strong support, and you can see here exact price movement, exact price structure also panning out to be a reaccumulation phase from Wyckoff. And we also saw this similar price movement, you can see here forming this similar type of double top pattern, and this movement here, this double bottom around this particular area where we are, and now we are slowly heading to the upside. And guys, now if we are actually going to break to the upside, what we can expect is a price possible break to the upside, coming back to retest this area, because now this trend line which acted as a resistance, this upper line of this ascending triangle, now could be a very strong support, which is going to push the price further to the upside, guys. Because according to this reaccumulation phase, right now where we are finding ourselves in phase C area. In phase C area, usually where we are, you can see here we are exactly here. This means we are actually about to make a new high, in my opinion, guys. Because right now if you look at this scenario here, and if you look in our case, guys, we might be breaking this ascending trend line to the upside in this coming week. And now if you also look, hey, if this is going to pan out, then also our analysis, our theory regarding this CPR is going to pan out, guys. Because we said, hey, in most of the cases, since this is an ascending CPR, this purple line which you can see here, guys, this is a rising CPR. You can see price is also heading to the upside, and every time at the end of the month or the beginning of the month, it usually comes and tests this R1 area. So in our case, you can see here, since this R1 level is still open, which is indicating us right now, hey, if this is going to be a possible scenario, then we might actually come across this 12,250 area, and then maybe we might see sideways movement and slowly price coming towards this trail line, just like here shown in an example, guys. So let's switch the chart now. So before I dive further, I would also really appreciate if you could smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button and the bell, so that you'll be the first one to get notified when I upload the video. And also, guys, if you want to support this channel, because I've seen people saying, hey, you are doing a great job, but guys, if you want to support this channel, feel free to use my ref link here from Bybit and Femix. Avoid leverage if you are new to this market, but for those people who already has experience trading with leverage, guys, I would really appreciate if you could use this ref link here and also claim your free money using this link. So now let's dive into a very interesting scenario. So guys, this here is Bitcoin USD chart in a weekly time frame, and I'm actually very excited to share this analysis with you guys. And why? Because if you look at this price action of Bitcoin from 2017 2020, this bull market, this bear market phase, consolidation phase, and now in 2020 when we finally started breaking out to the upside, and look at this exact scenario here from 2013 and 2016 where the bull market, the new bull market began. Right now where we are is exactly where in 2016 a bull market started, a new bull market started. And you know, this bull market actually was a really strong move to the upside. The price of Bitcoin in 2016 started from 400 and reached almost around $20,000 isn't it? And after that, you can see again a markdown phase. And look at this scenario here, and look at this scenario now, where we are. If this is a possible scenario, just like even 2013 and 2016, don't worry regarding a smaller price correction, guys. Look in a bigger picture. This bigger picture is showing us right now that this is exactly a beginning of a new bull market, guys. So wrap up your seatbelt, guys, because we are actually going to the moon. And also, guys, you know, I actually shared a similar scenario just like here from current Bitcoin price action and the past Bitcoin price action. Let me switch the chart quickly and show you. So guys, as you can see here, from 2020, 2015 and 16, this possible bull market scenario, and where we are actually in a consolidation phase according to this analysis. That's why I said you, if we are going to see some kind of price correction, don't worry, because this bigger picture is actually showing us right now that we are at the beginning of another big bull run, guys. That's why I was talking about this scenario. And now, just like I showed you with 2013, 2016 scenario, guys, that is also indicating, hey, everything is panning out exactly like what we want it to be. Because you can see here, if this price of Bitcoin is going to consolidate around this area, we should not worry, guys, because we know this bigger picture is actually indicating we are about to witness a massive bull run. And also, guys, if you have recently joined my channel, feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's cportrait, because I like to post this kind of analysis before I even make a video, so you'll be the first one to get notified there as well. So now let's switch to another chart. So this is Bitcoin USD chart in a weekly time frame, guys. So if you look at this scenario here, this is forming a really nice descending broadening wedge. And according to the descending broadening wedge, we can see here the price has clearly broken above the upper line of this descending broadening wedge, indicating, hey, maybe we might see a breakout to the upside. You can see what happened with price action after breaking the upper line of this descending broadening wedge. We came from here, you can see here, we broke the descending broadening wedge. This is in a weekly time frame. So you can see here, price went to the upside. This rejection here around this 10,400 area, 10,500, acted as a very strong resistance, and price also failed to break to the upside, because we know this resistance line acted as a very strong resistance also in the past Bitcoin price action, right? And now, since we knew that, we also, after entering this level, we found a strong weak rejection to the upside, and after that price started heading to the downside. But did you notice when the price actually came to the downside, we came again to retest this upper line of this descending broadening wedge, giving us a more confirmation that now this line is a actual support for Bitcoin. Right now, if you can see here, after reaching this upper line of this descending broadening wedge, guys, we started heading to the upside, and we also broke this line here, this resistance line, very easily with this bullish candle here. Why? Because you can see this line here, when we broke to the upside, we didn't have a confirmation that now this upper line might be a strong support for Bitcoin, because we started heading straight to the upside. We failed to break, we came back here, and we also followed this upper line of this ascending triangle, indicating, hey, this is a very strong support for Bitcoin right now. And after breaking this level, you can also see we had this really nice pump to the upside, right? So you can see here right now, this is indicating if this is going to pan out, guys, our target, as expected according to this descending broadening wedge, is going to be around this 18,000 to 20,000 level. Because if you take the swing high and swing low level of the descending broadening wedge and place it here, you'll come across this area, guys. This is indicating right now, hey, also in a bigger frame, this descending broadening wedge is showing us right now that, hey, we are heading to the upside. If we also look this scenario with the help of this ascending channel, guys, if you look at this scenario with the ascending channel, you can see that price, after reaching the upper line area after ascending channel, has found a rejection, and also reaching the lower line area, we have always found a strong support. And you can see here, right, price headed to the upside, found rejection, came back to test the lower line area, we found a strong support. Now we are also heading towards the upside to actually retest this upper line area of this ascending channel, which is also indicating, hey, not only just because of this broadening wedge, descending broadening wedge, also looking through this parallel ascending channel, indicating that we might be heading towards the area of our descending broadening wedges, because there is also an area where the upper line of this ascending channel is going to be. So guys, this is all what I actually wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like my work, guys, hey, feel free to smash that like button and also hit the subscribe button and the bell if you are watching this for the first time. By saying this, I'm signing off. Until next time, bye bye.